Question number 4. Explain the different types of unemployment. Answer. The following are the types of unemployment. Subheading 1. Structural unemployment. Basically, India's unemployment is structural in nature, related to the inadequacy of productive capacity to create enough jobs for able and willing to work. Subheading 2. Disguised unemployment. When more people are engaged in a job than actually required, it is called disguised unemployment. This type of unemployment in agriculture in developing country. Subheading 3. Seasonal unemployment. Generally, seasonal unemployment is confined to the agricultural sector. In the agricultural season, provides employment for 6 to 8 months, and for remaining period most of the agricultural workers remain unemployed. Subheading 4. Cyclical unemployment. The main cause of cyclical unemployment is the slackness in business activities. These types of unemployment generally in developed countries. Subheading 5. Technical unemployment. When the introduction of new technology causes displacement of workers, it is called technical unemployment. Question number 5. Explain the cause of poverty in India. Answer. Meaning of poverty. Indian Planning Commission definition. On the basis of recommended nutritional intake of 2400 calories per person per day in rural areas and 2100 calories per person per day for urban areas. In causes of poverty, India. Subheading 1. Heavy population pressure. In Indian population has increasing at alarming rate of 2.1% per annum. The main problem in India is the high level of birth rates coupled with a falling level of death rate. Subheading 2. Unemployment. Due to inadequate and insufficient development in industrial and service sectors, poverty along with unemployment increasing in the country. Subheading 3. Poor education. The low level of education among the children of poor people result in low level of earnings and consequent poverty. Subheading 4. Low consumption of essentials. There is shortage essential commodities and higher price due to high growth of population. Such high prices of essential goods are making poor people poorer. Subheading 5. Inflation. Rising prices are another causes of poverty. When price rise, the purchasing power of money falls and it leads to impoverishment of the lower middle and section of the society. Number 6. Describe the sectoral contributions to the Indian national income. Introduction. The study of sectoral contribution of NNP will explain the structure and growth of the economy and changes emerged during the process of development. Sectoral contribution of national income. A. Subheading. Primary sector. This sector consists of the agriculture and allied activities like animal husbandry, dairy farming, forestry, fishery, poultry, etc. The share of primary sector to the GDP decreased from 57.7% in 1950-51 to 13.9% in 2013-14. B. Subheading. Secondary sector. This sector includes mining, manufacturing, construction, electricity, gas and water supply. The share of this sector has increased from 14.8% in 1950-51 to 26.2% in 2013-14. C. Tertiary sector. This sector includes transport, storage, communication, banking, insurance, real estate, community and personal services. The share of this sector has gone up from 11.95 in 1950-51 to 59.9% in 2013-14. Serial number, sectors 1950-51, 2013-14. Number 1. Primary sector 1950-51, 57. 2013-14, 13. Serial number 2. Secondary sector 1950-51, 14. 2013-14, 26. Serial number 3. Tertiary sector 1950-51, 11. 2013-14, 59.